Welcome to the live session from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. We will be doing a live trading session, live analysis, and live discussion. Thursday after the CPI, today is PPI, another volatile day. After the FOMC, today is Euro day as well as gold. So we will be looking to see where is our next opportunity in the market. Now, before I begin this live session, I would appreciate if you smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every single day. Quite a few pairs that currently showing volatility. If you smash the like button, I will appreciate that so that you know exactly where you are at. And also let me know what's your view on the market. What do you think that which way the market is heading at the moment? Quite a few pairs currently showing very good movement in the market. So let's begin today's analysis. And I would like to see that everyone is here. So if you know yes, then I know that you are here and I can start the analysis from scratch. Let me know if you are here. Say yes on the live chat. Azzy, welcome, good morning to this live session. I believe that guys you are enjoying the live session every day, and I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up. John, good morning coach. Bearish on gold. Okay, so you are bearish on gold. We see that a bit of sideways on gold, and GJ has got a very crazy move so far. After this drop, after this manipulation, the market has managed to bounce, including the dollar yen. So today we see the dollar yen is in a very good bullish move, a very strongly bullish move, dollar yen currently, and that is basically a good way to enter the market as soon as you will find that entry point. So dollar yen, if you look at closely, we can see that there was a huge movement here on dollar yen, and with this movement, the basically dollar yen, this is the news move on dollar yen, followed by quite a few candles, quite a few manipulation candles, and the market has dropped below that manipulation zone, and then we saw that again the price has bounced back towards the upside. So dollar yen also currently showing a good movement in the market. We have seen that there is an inverted head and shoulder here on the 30 minutes. After this massive movement, it has made significant liquidity grab, preparing for another flight towards the upside, while you see that euro dollar was in a crazy bearish move, so it's now going up for a pullback. Also an important pair to look at today to see how the market is evolving here. So this is the intraday time frame. We can see that it's forming a kind of liquidity candle. So with that liquidity candle formation, we can expect a deeper pullback in this market. So let's look at gold, Gbpusd, and dollar yen, and also the euro dollar is in a pullback, but I want to see that what gold is currently doing here. And yeah, absolutely guys, and also I would like to see that everyone is here before I do the full analysis. Thanks for joining, and yeah, the like is yeah, it's going up. Can you smash it a bit up so that it goes further up, so we can that'll be the stream shows to more people. Okay, so now let's see. So you're bearish on gold, some of you. Basically gold, there was a big drop yesterday with the news, so it's still continuing in the same direction. the price is approaching the daily support level. What I think that this is the daily support after the yesterday's red candle. Today we have seen initial bounce. I think gold might, from this daily support, let's see how it is reacting. I think that gold might try to have a bounce from that level. Let's see how the market is reacting. If it is breaking that daily support, then yeah, we could see that drop. Otherwise, lower time frame price action will be looking to see how the market is reacting in that area. Previous running trade on gold. And so with that said, if you look at gold here on the lower time frame, we can see that after manipulation the price has come back to this daily support. This is the daily support here, and it's a wickless red candle to the daily support. So this was a news break yesterday, and then followed by we have seen a bit of consolidation. So there was a big drop here on the news, and then so far we see that gold is in a pullback. And at the moment, if I go back to the daily support, you can see this is the daily support. If gold managed to break from the top, we might see a whole lot of drop here. But before it drops, what I think that gold might try to retest the high again. So you can see it's a red candle, 4-hour candle closing in 49 minutes. And if I look at the lower time frame, here is a bit of stronger area here for the bulls. So if we see short-term opportunity, we will be looking to enter. Thanks for joining the live session. Let me know if you have any question. And yeah, I see that today is Thursday, a very important day for trading as well. Guys, let me know if you are here. Thanks, Vivek. Welcome. Prasad, yes. Good morning. Suraj going to 43.53. Yes, welcome. Good morning, Coach. Look at EuroCAD. I'm on sell. Okay, so you're on sell. Victor, welcome. What's your analysis on GJ? Yeah, we'll be looking at GJ as well. This is a very nice looking uptrend Gbpujpy. Let me look at the daily chart first, because when you look at the daily, you can see that it's a long-term bullish market from the daily perspective. And in this long-term bull market, we can expect Gbpujpy to move in the major direction of the trend. All right, so let me know if you're ready for gold and GJ. Gold is now pushing for a pullback. So let's see how Gbpujpy is doing, as we see that yesterday there was a massive manipulation and pullback. And also we'll be looking at euro pair as well. So we might see the same pattern with euro. First of all, looking at Gbpujpy daily chart to see how the market is doing. Now from the daily perspective, if you look at, it's a long-term bullish market. Now how do you know a market is a long-term bullish market? From the one of the 3 secrets in the market that we talk about. If you want to know the secret in the market, then you need to look at market structure, liquidity, and price action. You know, Nikola Tesla, his famous quote that I more often talk about it, because this is how everything can be understood. So if you want to know the secret of this universe, then things in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. So this is what in fact also to this day important as a trader, right? Why? Because to have a very balanced and stronger trading psychology, one also need to understand the emotion coming along with trading. So what is emotion? Emotion is energy in motion. What is emotion? Emotion is the energy, one of the three secrets of this universe, right? Energy, frequency, and vibration. So what is the emotion? Then is the energy. And what is vibration that Nikola Tesla said is the level of that emotion. You see how it has been also clarified by Dr. David Hawkins in his book Power versus Force. You can read that book, it's a very good one. So level of that emotion is the vibration. For example, if you look at the emotion of fear, which is a major driving force in trading, and also emotion of greed, so is the vibration of that energy, that emotion is the fear. And what is the frequency that Nikola Tesla said is the rate of that emotion. For example, if you look at the ice, water, and vapor, all are in the same thing, right? Ice, water, and vapor are same thing. But if you go to the, analyze the molecular structure of the water, then when it is in an iced, it's a solid, it's rigid. The molecules are very closer to each other. The rate of vibration is very low, and it's solid, it's rigid, the ice. But when you put heat in it, energy, you put that molecule to go up or separate or apart from each other, the rate of vibration become higher. So that means that emotion is higher when it is in a higher frequency. That's what he tried to say. The same thing is inside the human being. So each human being is a representation of this universe. So you see that how you can relate it is very simple, but understanding it will set you free, because that's how you can understand your own emotion. When you understand how to become conduit of that emotion. You see, we normally think that I need to control that emotion, I need to control that fear to learn trading. You can't control, you just need to be conduit to flow through that emotion, so that you can remain an observant of that emotional state of being that you need to observe. So that's how you can develop a very strong trading ethics, develop a strong trading psychology, so that you can become a consistently profitable trader. Stay tuned here to learn more about it, how you can process that emotion, so that you can remain a very consistent in your disciplinary approach. So if we look at that, the market structure on GBP/JPY, we can see that this is the bullish market structure on GJ, and in that bullish market structure, what we can see that from the daily, this is the daily support here, and with the daily support, the market has formed a higher low, formed that series of higher low, and with that higher low formation, expecting GJ to now go back up to create a new higher high. And if we look at the intraday time frame from the 4-hour perspective, we can see there was a consolidation. Slowly we can see the market is bouncing off that level. And looking at the, you see this is the 15-minute chart where there is a long week doji, and it's a big move here. So it's still maintaining that bullish market structure. We can look at a couple of levels on the lower time frame for a retest, and then we will be looking to enter as soon as you find that suitable entry opportunity. This is an important level of support. So lower time frame price action, you can see it is showing a very strong bullish. We'll be waiting for the price to come for a deeper pullback, and then we can enter. This is the 4 hour. We see already it's in an up move, so we want to see that it has come down for a deeper pullback, and then we can enter. This is the intraday support here on GJ. Once we find that entry, we will be looking to enter. All right, so hope that makes sense. And in the meantime, thanks for joining the live session. And I know that there is a festival going on in different region. I hope guys and girls you are ready for a big trading week coming up. And in this time, the market is having a very good volume at the moment. And with that volume, we want to take the full advantage of the market, as later today coming up PPI. So with that PPI release coming up, I would like to find a good entry. Are you guys with me? Let me know if you want to also find a good entry with the PPI. Hello, welcome. Chandu, welcome. Good morning. Good morning, and bye. Okay. Good morning, coach. Welcome. So dollar yen update. US30, please. Yeah, absolutely. We'll be looking at that. So dollar yen is in a bullish market. We'll be looking at that dollar yen. First, also let's look at the euro dollar. We can see that euro dollar is there was a huge breakdown on euro dollar. So it's now there, it is forming the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour time frame, and we see a primary rejection from the bottom. It's important to see as euro news today. So let's look at the calendar here. So looking at the calendar, what you can see, 10:15 p.m. coming up, euro main refinancing rate monetary policy statement, followed by dollar core PPI and unemployment claims. So these three news are absolutely important on for dollar and gold, including the euro. So let's see what the market is planning on euro. We saw that it's a big drop on euro dollar, massive drop, and with that drop we might see that now deeper pullback. That's what expecting for euro dollar to go up for a deeper pullback. And after this deeper pullback, if we see a very strong bearish price action, we can look for selling opportunity on euro dollar. But at the moment, this market had a big drop. There is a huge imbalance in that area, so it might even go for a consolidation. Okay, so because of there was a huge drop, it might go for consolidation and then slowly moving up for a pullback. So at the moment, you see there is a local rejection here forming a double bottom. So the only thing that I will do, I will observe the price action to see what kind of price action it is forming. This market I will be only selling if we see that enough pullback to the upside. because it formed a head and shoulder here, big drop, but it didn't go up for a retest of that head and shoulder. So it is possible for the price to go up for a bit, a bit of deeper pullback. So we'll leave euro dollar here to see what the market is doing. It's in a deeper, it's in an in-depth in a consolidation pattern. So let's look at GBP JPY. Now we see that JPY pairs currently showing a very good trending opportunity in the market. So as soon as we find GJ entry opportunity, we will be looking for entry. It's a long-term bullish market. Welcome, Pele. Good morning. Can GJ reach 193? Can GJ reach 193? I want to ask this question to the traders, to the community. Do you think that can GJ reach 193? Let me ask you with a poll. Let's see how many traders believe that GJ will reach 193. Cast a vote and let's see what the community are thinking on that. Do you think that GJ is will be trending to the upside to create a new higher high on this daily market structure, or if you think, do you think that it's gonna come down again for a deeper from the higher time frame to break this liquidity zone and to create a new lower low? Please look at US30. Yeah, we'll be looking at that. And we see that gold, I'll go back to US30, but before that, let's see what's happening with the gold. So far has got a rejection here on gold, and the price, you see, this is the 15 minutes. We see that the break of support here, and with this break of support, from the daily, this is the daily, you see, this is the daily support. Now let me tell you my plan on gold, what I am thinking. Let me delete all of them so you'll understand it, what we are doing. Now you can see that this is the daily previous day there is a daily bearish candle. Today we have seen that the market has tested the high, and after testing that high, we can see the market has got a rejection towards the downside on gold. Now, with that rejection, the price, if you look at here, the price already created an overextension. Now, because the market already, it's a long-term bull market, the market already made a bullish momentum to the upside, it is possible for gold to retest again and to test this smooth trend line, which is more of high probability, because this is the daily resistance, and if the market from the daily coming for a deeper pullback, it should be retesting the resistance before dropping deeper for a pullback. So as this is the daily opening and closing, and if we see an immediate rejection, then we might see the price is going back up to that liquidity zone, which is possible to happen. We can see slowly it's trying to create a pattern here, and it's a very important level. Okay, I will be opening buy on gold from here, and so the stop loss that I will put here is around 30 pip. I will be explaining later why I'm opening at 2329 the stop loss, and I will be targeting here 321 reward to risk from this level, expecting it to go back up to the daily resistance. What I think that if it reject, we should be able to see potential bounce. So my stop loss at 2329.660. So I have put a buy trade here, and which is running a bit in profit. I'm expecting gold to bounce up, and also will be explaining in depth. So make sure, guys, very important is that you are not taking a big risk here. So there is a break of support on the daily, and if it is a fake drop, then we should be able to see straight going back to the daily resistance. So we even might, if it bounce up, it's 3-1 reward to risk, even we can extend our TP to 2345 level, 2345, even 2346 level if it bounce up. So I have opened buy on gold, and I'm running in profit a little bit. I would like to hold that trade for if it going up, then I will be holding the trade to the level that I expected, because it's on the daily support. Okay, so alright guys, are you with me? Are you with me? We are buy on gold, and I believe that you are enjoying this live session. If you are enjoying, don't hesitate to smash the like button, and also hit that subscribe button. If you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. Okay, so expecting for gold to have a rejection from this level, as we see that the market on the daily support. Now we could be right, could be wrong, because it might just keep break the daily support and keep dropping. But the reason here, the trade I will be explaining later in depth, the analysis, and a strategy, but I'm expecting it to go back up to the daily high, which is the 2345 level. So our TP at 2342.60, but if it reject from here, then we might see gold even breaking today's high and then returning back with the PPI. So let's see if first it's getting a rejection here, which is very important. I have a space here, a bit of this low here is 2330.65. So I have a space a bit of around so around 10 pip gap here. So if the market again come to retest, we have 10 pip space here for taking in. Let's hold it and make sure, guys, you are not risking. I risk only 1 to 2% on my account, so make sure you are also remaining in control of the trade that you are opening. So this trade is based on the daily support. So we see another candle closed here, and so it might now try to test this level. So lower time frame price action on gold is $30 minutes. We see that pullback, and we want to see that let's see how it might try to break this low again. It's a very tight stop loss, and if it isn't not working out, we will be exceeding with that. So we tested the support. It's a reversal trade. Locally we see that downtrend, but from the daily it has made significant drop today so far. So I'm waiting to retest the daily low and potentially to return. Might not hold it. Okay, still on that. Expecting it to get a very sharp rejection. If it is getting a bit long rejection, right, let's see, we see primarily a rejection, which is a good sign. a previous trade that I have closed. Now here is, we see primary rejection, and if this doji, this pin bar is going up, we can expect it to return to the upside. This is where there is a weakless candle here. So when there is this kind of weakless candle, the price find it difficult to break to the upside, but still how this candle is closing is important. Here is my stop loss at 2329.66. I will move to 2329.60 just for 0.6p gap, just to give it a bit of room to breathe. Okay, so I just moved to 0.6p below, so I moved my stop loss pardon me, at 2329.60. and you want to see that it's closing above, so that we can find potentially if we see a return, then yeah, we can expect it to return. Otherwise, if it is breaking the daily support entirely, then yeah, we might see that continuation. But so far the price below the daily support, yeah, it is expected, but let's see what it is doing. The price already came below the daily support, and without retesting the daily high, dropping down is unusual. But unusual thing happen in trading, so make sure you always remain fully in control. There's a long wick at the bottom here. $30 minutes. Still on that, out on the trade. We'll be entering again if we find that entry. Might see that break of support. Let's see on GJ and dollar yen, euro dollar. Okay, so what the market here might be doing, let's see. If we find the market is taking that return, we will be entering again. Okay. Might just took us out of the trade, and then might just keep returning to the upside. There is a red candle here. There is still probability for a return, so if we see again returning, I'm ready for another entry. because this is the daily support, and there is still a probability to go back to 2347 level before it is coming to break the low here. So I would like to see how the market is evolving. Just took us out of the trade. Okay, wanna wait to see. They're getting a kind of rejection. Okay, I would like to go long again. Now we need to be a bit of careful on that. So I would like to go long again. Also, I will take a bigger profit target here. If it returned, then it should go back to the daily high again. If I'm wrong, that I will be stopped out again, no problem. But I took a very little risk on my trade. So this time 2328.59 stop loss. Two three two 8.11. So I move the stop loss here to 328.11. Expecting it to return in the original direction of the trend. So from the still it might still didn't enter here, so we'll be waiting to see first to break. Still did not enter, waiting for the price to, when it didn't give me a chance to enter. So fast that I couldn't enter. Okay, waiting for the rejection. Ridiculously break. Couldn't enter because of the timing was very fast. If we look at again to the daily support, Gold is this is a, if we look at here, the complete breakdown, I will need to wait for the price to give us a clear idea. Gbpusd has got, yeah, it also has got a rejection from the top. This one is also a bull market, so anytime the price is coming for a deeper pullback, we can look for entry. Gold, I couldn't enter the second time, but once I will find that, we will be entering. From the weekly, it just has broken the weekly low, so ultimately we might see now the price is breaking below the daily low. So yesterday's low is here, and we might see the price is breaking the daily low. So is this a change of trend? Alpha, don't force the market to change the direction. DXY, yeah, we see that DXY, will be looking at that, but before we go to the DXY, here we can see basically it's the mirror. DXY is a mirror of gold. Now gold might be changing the trend. You can see that after this pullback, it's now had a complete breakdown again. So from the daily, it didn't hold the support. I expected from this daily support to bounce back up to the daily resistance, but we see that it just has broken that support. That means now there might be a bit of stronger drop here potentially, and so the only thing that we might need to look at now is the liquidity grab from the top. So if we see, this is a 5 minutes price action, as the market is grabbing the liquidity. Okay, we could see that if we see now the grabbing liquidity from the top, then we can expect the trend continuation in the major direction. And we see that euro dollar also, it's in a consolidation, and I just want to look at the moment GBP/JPY and gold. GBP/JPY from the lower time frame just has broken this support level. on the 1 hour. So local support is here on GJ. They're waiting for the price to break and then to reject on Gbpusd. Let's see what's happening with the gold here. Market is not still not showing again another bullish price action, so we might see further deepening. We're going to see what's happening. There's a liquidity candle here, and the bullish pattern on comparison with the bearish is very weaker. The range is narrow, and we would like to see clear pattern here, and then we can enter. If we look at euro dollar, also it's in a consolidation. There is a news coming on euro dollar in a couple of hours, so we might see a good move on that one. Gbpusd, it's dropping for a deeper pullback. Okay, so the 4-hour candle closing on GJ in a couple of minutes, and this is a bull market, so the bias is still bullish. So from the, you see this is the liquidity zone on GJ, this support here from the 15 minutes. And from the 1 hour, if Gbpusd managed to drop below, which is the neckline of the smart money area, which is the resistance turning support here, we'll be looking for that entry opportunity on GJ here. Let's keep eye on that to see where the market is heading. Welcome. Perfect. All I'm good. Trade now is going with the flow. I agree. What strategy are you using? Well, Mr. Tikuin. So yeah, I use trend following strategy along with the liquidity grab. I'm also currently this strategy teaching in the mentorship program in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So if you haven't joined yet the mentorship program, we have a couple of spots to take on the mentorship program. You can find link in the description area for the mentorship program. I would recommend you to visit the website now if you want to be part of that mentorship program. We only have few spots to take on that. So once you are on the website, you can click join now button, then you'll be able to join and be part. Any question you can ask the live agent, you'll be able to answer that if you have. So gold is, after breaking that, we can see that it's now, the price is forming here long wick candles, back to back 2 dojis. We can see double dojis here in that area. Now with the double doji, there is a long candle doji, 2 back to back dojis. From the 1 hour, okay, I would like to open buy again on gold here with a stop loss just below this candle, which is 25 pip. Guys, make sure that, as I mentioned, it's in a downtrend. I'm waiting for a reversal. That's why I'm always keeping a higher reward, because otherwise you won't be profitable. If I'm right, then the trade should go back up to the resistance. That's the main goal here. So if you are taking a bigger risk, then you will never be able to be profitable in this kind of quick trade. So make sure you do that. Always keep your trade managed. So if we look at 2.2327 SL, yep, 2325, we see some appreciation. So expecting gold to appreciate so that we can cover all. Yeah, as soon as I open, it started to move up, and if gold managed to bounce back up before the candle close, we see double dojis here, and with the double doji, there is a high probability for a bounce. If it does, then we will be taking 4% profit here. I set my TP 2339.65. If it bounces, it might even go higher. So then we will be holding it for the full profit. And in the meantime, I would appreciate your support. If you give a thumbs up, smash it, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. In addition to that, one of the broker that I am trading currently offering 50% bonus on your deposit. So if you want to join, get that, claim that bonus depending on your location. I have given you the link in the live chat. You can use it and then claim that bonus depending on your location, as I mentioned, where you are, but in majority of the time you should be getting that. So you can use that link to claim that bonus. So register and then you can start trading. Okay, so here we can primarily I expected to return. We see that some kind of rejection. I will be holding it for the full bounce. If we look at the daily chart, you guys, are you with me? Let me know. And I see that 123 view, but the like is only 40, so probably 1/6 of like. So I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up, smash it, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Can you make it to 100 like? When you like it, YouTube algorithm also like it. Okay, so we see again a rejection here. So I will be holding it so that I can cover the previous trade from here and also making some new profits. But if it isn't, no problem at all. I always take a very smaller risk. So euro dollar is, with the news coming, we might see a bit of manipulation here on euro dollar. Okay, gold is waiting to have a pump to the upside from this level. So my TP is 2339.65. If it is pumping, then should be pumped back to the resistance. We see some appreciation in our pricing on gold. Are you guys with me? Thank you for joining the live session. And guys, give a thumbs up. Thanks for the like, and also your support to the channel is always appreciated. Look, if it bounce as expected gold, then it might go to it might even reach to 2346 or even break 2347 and return back again, because this trend line that I have drawn here, it's based on the daily resistance. Now you can see that if you look at here, it's a smooth trend line that has not been tested yet. So okay, some reactions potentially. So here is what you can see, a very narrow doji, okay, which is expected to be bullish, but we see a red candle. So if we look at the 1 hour closed, a red right, we see some appreciation again. Means we might see that pattern to be happening. Okay, we might be, if we are right, and we will be holding it. Guys, make sure you keep fully in control of your emotion is the key here, as I mentioned before. So emotion is the key, because I know that, you know, sometime if you, the biggest secret of all traders who are, you know, making a living out of trading is they have a full understanding of their own emotion, how it operates, how it is playing the role in, you know, winning trades, losing trades. Because what happens is that when we you know, make a profit from trading, we want to hold it. Okay, you need to hold the profit, but at the same time you need to reinvest some part of it, and then also you need to be very, very strict about your risk management. That is the secret. Okay, and once you win that part, you are done. Because here the only thing you need to care is your risk is managed when you are trading on a bigger account or a smaller account, whatever account size. Okay, it's key, and that's what I'm teaching in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, day in, day out, and also conducting quite a few Zoom sessions. We will be increasing also weekly Zoom. Already we are taking every week Zoom sessions. If you haven't joined yet, you can join today to attend the Zoom meeting, where you have also direct interaction with me. You can ask question. If you have anything that you are doubting about yourself or anything like that, you can ask this question. I will be completely guiding you to the complete risk management process, strategy analysis. And that is why the numbers are limited, because for those who are coming, I want to give them the full presence so that they can find the way to trade the market in a real way. So if you haven't joined yet, before the place is being filled, I would recommend you to right now to join using the link below this video in the description. Once you visit the website, click join now button, you will be able to join us to become part of this trading community. And here is, see what's happening here, gold. Yeah, so it's also developing a very strong identity of a trader. All right, so you see that holding a trade and then let it go to the big profit with the risk managed, and also letting the trade play out fully, not being, not over leveraging, not over trading. Keeping the risk low is, how can you keep the risk low is by, each trade you need to take the same amount of risk but bigger reward. That's the secret, and each strategy should have that criteria, should have that component of how to manage those risks. Okay, so this is my goal here, is to whoever coming is to give the best tool to trade, to learn, and to grow as a trader. So that is why we develop quite a few important tool here, including our TF strategy indicator. So here now, from the 5 minutes, we can see the market has made a good move. Now let me see how far we are. I'm more than because I took 2% risk, so more than 1% profit running. I want to hold it to see if it is this is the question now. We'll take it. Come on. It is good profit running. So here what we can see, waiting for, it's very, very crucial now to see either we'll be holding it or taking it. It might come back for another liquidity grab. Yeah, let's hold it. And if it is going back up to this resistance level, as there is a liquidity here, that's where you will find the best move in this trade. So now the problem here is that it might try to come back down here again. More than 2% up, and also don't want to lose that profit. Okay, let's keep eye. Okay, so appreciation is always good. We see that upside bias, that's what I will be holding it, because we want to take that full profit here so that we can have good move in this trade to cover everything, pay the bills, cover everything. So far so good. Okay, a long narrow, So long wick candle on 5 minutes, which is a good sign that the market might make another move. But in the last moment is trying to pull back again. So are you guys with me? Do you think that gold is going to move back up, or it's gonna should be taking the profit? What? I think we might see come on. I'm ready with either to close or to run. Let me see how this candle closing. The next one, if we see an upside bias, we will be holding it. Come on. Taking the profit, guys. I'll take the profit. Okay. Let me wait to see. Yeah, we'll take the partial profit. Okay, so I will be taking partial profit here. So I'm closing 30% to 50% profit. Okay, so 50% profit, 50% profit close. Moving the stop loss at entry. Okay, so moving the stop loss at entry, 50% profit close. So I have closed not the entire position because I want to run the rest to the highest. So I have closed 50% of the position. The rest I will be running to see if the market is bouncing up. We see a kind of appreciation. So that means 50% means that, let's say if you are running 0.1 lot, then 0.05 lot closed. If you're running 1 lot, then 0.5 lot closed, like that. It depends on how you want to manage, but I have taken 50% profit off. The rest I will be running to see if we can expect a bounce in this market. So this is now a risk-free trade. So this is now let me know if you did not understand what I did. I'll be clarifying more. Welcome. Still welcome guys. And yeah, did you smash the like button here? Thank you for joining the live session. I would appreciate your support to the channel. Give a thumbs up if you like it. And yeah, let's there's a PPI coming, as you know, that in a couple of hours. So we are on this trade here and waiting for before the PPI. if the market getting a bit of volatile, then we should be able to see our TP hit, TP2 hit. So basically it's TP2. Let me know if you are still holding that on the other half, so that I can move to another pairs, which is can you let me know how many traders currently holding the half position here for gold to take the trade to the upside? So I know you guys are with me. So euro dollar with the news, let's see what might happening. Is it consolidating here, or it's planning for another wave of drop? While we can see that gold is just in that area, it's now trying to go up for deeper liquidity grab. So from the 5 minutes, the move is a bit of slower. It might go up a bit up to the upside probability, because there is a news coming at 10:30 p.m. as you know that, and that might make gold very volatile, a continuation of yesterday's data. So if we see that PPI also giving a strength on DXY, if we look at DXY, what we can see that this market from the bigger picture, DXY had a huge bounce yesterday. This is a big move on DXY on a single day. You can see it rarely happened here. There was once. So basically it's a big move on a single day, and after this kind of big move, what we can expect now on DXY is we might see deeper pullback or continuation towards the upside. So if we see that DXY has got again rejected for a deeper pullback, then we might see that gold is going up. But if DXY is keep pushing high in the major direction of the trend, then we could see that gold is pushing down again. And in that case, so this is a, let's look at a completely objective aspect of gold to see what we can expect. This is the 1 hour chart on gold, and it is a kind of forming a head and shoulder and long consolidation pattern. So if PPI creating a spike here, which I think could be, and what I think that the PPI might be doing is making the goal to go up to test this trend line, which is the daily resistance, and it might make a spike like that. Okay, this is the 1 hour, and forming a very long wick candle, and then we might see that the market is reversing here. And if we see that formation like that, that means it grabbed that liquidity before what the market does before any kind of reversal. In that case, we could see that gold is changing the trend from this a very giant uptrend to at least some extent we can expect gold to drop below any of this major support. And I think in that case, the first thing gold will do is to come below this weekly low, right? So which is the monthly support, coming to the monthly support and then returning back to the upside. So that's the monthly support, which is the resistance turning support, and might be gold. If that's the case, you could see that drop to this level and then again trending to the upside. So we if that's the case, then we might be able to find a good selling opportunity on gold over time. But at the moment we are on a buy trade, and I have taken some profit off. The rest is still running. Are you guys with me? Let me know. Holding full, please do US30. Thank you, GJ. Crossing this range here. So gold is here it is in the zone of the major trend. Okay, euro dollar slowly forming locally some price action. We might see that pullback. So here it's in the, so gold is trying to break the high here. I'm risk free on the trade. Okay guys, so let's see what's happening with GJ. GJ has got a drop here, okay, from the lower time frame, and let me see with what it is trying to do here on GJ, because it's from the daily we can see that after yesterday's red candle, today so far testing this support has got a bounce. If GBP/JPY breaking yesterday's low here, coming to the daily 20 MA, yeah, we'll look for another buying opportunity. So in an uptrending market, this kind of drop that I always like to see, it dropped well below that liquidity zone, and then we'll be looking for entry. With the upcoming PPI, I will be again trading live on PPI. As you know that today is PPI. I do come on live twice. I'll take a short break, and then we'll be coming on live again to trade PPI with all of you guys. And in the meantime, if you want to join our mentorship program, we have few spots left to take in the mentorship program, where you can learn the strategy that I'm trading. You can attend the VIP Zoom classes, and also you can access all the trade that I'm opening. You can find link below this video in the description for the website to visit. Also, I can give you the link of the website in the live chat, where you can visit the website and then click join now button, where you can learn and grow as a trader. Target on gold took profit already. Thank you, Rod. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, that's fine. If you took the profit, that's completely fine. We'll be looking for entry again. Gold is, we can see that it's just moving in the direction. I'm still running the rest of the half. Anyone here holding or running the rest of the half? Okay, very good. Thank you. GJ. Okay, GJ is coming down. This drop is another opportunity coming on GJ for potentially bullish setup. At the moment, I want to keep it in observation. This drop might lead GJ to come back down well below this level. Running the trade. Welcome, Luis, in profit. Yeah, stop loss set, break even. Good job, well done. So let's do like that, trading with proper risk management, and then holding it for bigger profit. Even if you are taking partially profit, still you can take the trade to the next level. And with that said, I'll see you again trading live together. Before that, before I leave, you can use the link in the description area for joining many of the essential. You can go to the description of this video where you can find all the links that you need if you are looking to join recommended broker. Also, you can find a link in the description. Also, I can give you the link here before I leave, where they are offering currently 50% bonus on your deposit. So you can use that link and then you can start growing as a trader. So thank you, and I'll see you soon, guys, trading live again together. Until that, stay well. I've really tried to join the academy, Moses. So why you didn't join the academy? Is there anything that I can help you with? So I've really tried joining the academy, Moses Low. Why you couldn't join the academy then? If you tried to join the academy, can you let me know? If anyone find any issue in joining or not going your order, then you can let me know, or let us know in the team, info@forex trading wizard.com. So you can let us know, info@forextradingwizard.com in the email. You can email us, so then I can resolve if there is any issue that you are facing to join in the academy. Okay, all right, thank you. And yeah, let me know if you have any question. I'll see you again before PPI in the next live. Until that, take a break and we'll